Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get insight option on your Instagram account. So you can see this is Instagram app, so tap on your Instagram and then tap your profile page right bottom corner on your screen. Then you can see the option three line top right corner. Simply tap on that, and you can see here is no option like inside. So what you need to do, you need to turn on the professional mode. Okay, so click settings and privacy and scroll down. Then you can see account type and tools, and tap on the option switch to professional account. Then continue and search here which type account this one. So I'm just going to search the option video creator, and you can see it's now here. Simply tap on the done and it's okay. And after that your creator or business, so I'm just going to creator and click the cross. So now tap here again and the three line, and you can see the option inside. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.